wet bridge is really becoming a pain in the butt, right, Steph?
Oh my gosh, yes. I haven't even gotten my chemistry classes, and I'm a chem major.
You should really look into getting that fixed, Steph.
I
Winter
know.
quarter is gonna start in like a couple of weeks.
I'm screwed.
Well, folks, we'll be right back. We're gonna take a short break.
Stick around with Zot News for discussion on the 32% fee increase after these messages from our sponsors.
Do you see any hope in the sky?
Is this what you're drinking every day?
Have you lost your home?
Is this your Prince Charming?
When you pictured your future at UCI,
Is this what you saw? Do your part to prevent these tragedies.
and follow these tips from fellow students.
Step number 1. Plastic water bottles? I don't think so. I'm gonna stick with the Brita water filter. Not only does a Brita water filter clean your water, but it's also environmentally friendly. That's good water.
Step number 2. Turning off unnecessary lights helps save 10 to 20% of energy. So do me a favor and turn off your lights.
Step number 3. By setting your thermostat 68 degrees during the winter and 72 degrees during the summer, you reduce the amount of energy that your thermostat uses to maintain a certain temperature in your dorm, apartment, or home.
Step number 4. Here are some ways in which your chemistry department is going green.
Here, we are very concerned about what goes down our drains into the oceans. So, to make sure that nothing harmful to the environment goes down, we have separate waste containers, and also we make sure to neutralize any products that can be poured down the drain.
Step number 5. Don't be like this student Kopika Dasari and only print on one side of the page. You're burning up trees. Come on.
Step number 6. Although your appliances are turned off, they still use the same amount of energy. So do your part to save the environment by unplugging.
Step number 7. It's not that hard to recycle. There are recycle bins across the UCI campus, so do your part and recycle. Do you like a clean UCI campus?
Well, I do. Step number 8. It's not that hard to throw away your trash, unless you want your future looking like this. So do your part and throw away your trash.
Step number 9. Even Brandywine, Tiffin, and Commons have gone trayless to reduce the amount of water used. So do your part and shorten your shower periods. Don't leave the water running while washing your dishes, and use your water wisely.
Step number 10. Instead of driving those gas filters, why not take the shuttle or ride the Zot wheels? It saves you money and saves the environment.